Magandang araw mga Lodi. Welcome back to another episode of Money Guru, where we talk about the financial questions that matter the most to you. Dito siguro, Money Guru. I'm with Alex Calleja here, and today we'll go through some questions from our Money Guru fans and do our best to provide helpful answers that they can actually use.
Ito number 4, gusto po sana ng side hustle para sa extra income pero hindi na po talaga kaya after work dahil sa sobrang pagod. Ano po kaya ang gagawin ko? Okay, ang keyword dyan is after work. So hindi mo na kaya pag after work, ang gawin mo, mag-extra job ka during work. Di ba? Sa office mo, may mga may mga photocopier dyan. Mag-business ka ng photocopier. Gamitin mo yung resources ng office. Huwag mo lang papaalam. Kasi malata nila pag mga libo-libo na yung pinapotocopy mo. Mag-photocopying business ka. Tapos, kunyari nagtatrabaho ka sa harapan, pero nagbebenta ka ng mga items online selling while working. Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng after work. Papagod ka talaga doon. Mag-job ka during the job. It's what we call on-the-job selling. Okay? Tama ba yon, John? Pwede bang galawin yon sa Cebuana?
Cebuano Lear employees, especially Cebuano Lear employees, do not listen to that. Mga kasabuanas, I am not sure if you would like to use other people's resources during their time, their money, for your own good. I don't think that's good. It's not good.
Sorry po.
My God, where did you come from?
Nagpa-photocopy ka. Sorry po.
Oh gosh. Anyways, our greatest asset in life is our health.
Sorry.
Thank God you have good health. Those side hustles may sound fun, but we cannot also deny the fact that they are not for everyone. Just like in that situation, you don't want to sacrifice your health in exchange of that extra income because you might end up having more expenses once you become sick. If your schedule is full during those weekdays, you may start small and smart during the weekends. Imagine, during the weekends, not during office time of your employer. You still have options. Just make sure you always start slow to avoid burnout, especially your schedule is tight. So that's it for today's episode. Thank you, Alex, for joining us today. Any words for our Lodis? I'm scared what he's going to say.
Okay, kung gusto niyo makakuha ng kopya po ng aming episode ngayon na written, may photocopier po. Sorry po, pasensya na po. Ito, pero seriously speaking, sana po nakinig kayo sa mga advice ni John, wag sa akin. Sana natawa lang kayo sa akin. Dahil alam niyo naman, ako isang comedian. Simple lang mga Lodi, save smart, spend wise. Mga Lods, it's the best combo for success. John, serious yan.
That's the best thing you've said today. So, omsim na omsim, Alex. Till our next episode, mga Lods, tutok lang palagi. Money Guru, dito sa Money Guru.